Welcome back to my channel, Tiger TV, and today we're going to be exploring the properties of math. So I'm not going to go too in depth of these properties, so you can just take a few screenshots if you'd like. So we're going to go and just skip right to the problems because I don't want to hold you here too long. So yeah, I'll give you a few minutes if you want to pause to do your thing. So let's do this. So you're back. Okay, so number 1 equals A because of obviously the identity property. And then number 2 is basically the same thing, still the identity property. So number 3, it's gonna be the commutative property, which is basically the turnaround rule. So it's B plus A. And number 4 is gonna be like the same thing. So it's gonna be B times A because it's a multiplication sign now. So for number 5, it's gonna be the associative property. So it's gonna be A in parentheses plus B in parentheses, and then plus C that's not in parentheses. So yeah, let me just write this real quick. Alright, so yeah, that was the associative property. Now the other one's the same thing, it's just a multiplication one now. So yeah, it's just basically the same thing. Let me type it real quick. Alright, now let's move on to number 7. So this is a distributive rule, and that says like x times y plus like x times z. So now 9 times 7 is 63, 9 times 4 is 36, 63 plus 36 is going to be 99. So 7 is 99. So the next one is basically the same thing. So you do 6 times 4 equals 24, and 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. So 24 minus 12 equals 12, obviously. So the last one is factoring. So you have to find the GCF, like above the factoring shows. So here's what you do. So right here, the greatest common factor is going to be 3, right? So you do that. So you put that outside of the parentheses. Then you do the x, which in this case is the 6y. So 6y divided by 3 will be 2y. So after that, here's what you do. So the y in this case will be the 9. And 9 divided by 3, which is the GCF, will be 3. So the answer for number 9, aka the last problem, is going to be 3 and then in parentheses 2y plus 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You could take a couple of screenshots. Take it easy.